To download the TradingView app and create a new account, start by going to the App Store on your device. Whether it is an Apple or Android device, search for TradingView in the search bar and select the TradingView app from the search results. Click the Install or Get button to begin the download process. Once the download is complete, click the Open button to launch the app. When you first open the app, you will be prompted to either log in or sign up for a new account. Since you are creating a new account, select the Sign Up option. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your email address, username, and password. Choose a strong and unique password to ensure the security of your account. After filling out the registration form, click the Sign Up button to create your new account. You will then be asked to verify your email address by clicking on a link sent to you by TradingView. This is a security measure to ensure that the email address you provided is valid and to prevent spam accounts. Once your email address is verified, you can log into your new TradingView account and start exploring the app. You will have access to a wide range of features and tools, including real-time market data, charts, and analysis tools. You can also customize your account settings and profile to suit your needs. As a new user, it is recommended that you take some time to familiarize yourself with the app and its features. You can do this by watching tutorials and videos, reading the help section, and practicing with a demo account. This will help you to get the most out of the app and to become a successful trader. In conclusion, downloading the TradingView app and creating a new account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps and taking the time to learn about the app and its features, you can start using TradingView to improve your trading skills and to achieve your financial goals.